Setting up the Exoid fluid cell and nanopore correctly is key to accurate measurements. In this video, we'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth and reliable setup. To begin, open the Exoid's lid, place the lower fluid cell into the Exoid, ensuring the pins line up with the sockets below and that it is seated correctly. Make sure the stretch is set to 41mm. Holding the long arm of the nanopore, place the opposite arm onto the teeth first for leverage, then pull the long arm down to fit onto the teeth. Finally, fit the two side arms onto their respective teeth. Ensure the nanopore's serial number is facing upwards. Increase the nanopore stretch to 47mm. Pipette your measurement electrolyte into the lower fluid cell. Now, take the upper fluid cell. You'll see two position indicators on each side. These serve as alignment guides. Carefully align the holes with the lower fluid cell, then gently twist and click the upper fluid cell into place. When positioned correctly, only one position indicator per side should be visible. Place the shield cap on top, then finish by connecting the pressure nozzle. The fluid cell and nanopore are now set up and ready for use.